Hey guys, Peter here. On Tuesday, Apple unveiled their 2021 lineup of iPhones. There are plenty of YouTubers out there right now showing all the cool new technical aspects of the phone, all the new designs, and they're going to be getting into the unboxings. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different because this is going to be, everybody knows that the iPhone is already a great product, but we need to know how you're going to be purchasing that product during the pre-order season right now. Right now, pre-orders are open. Of course, the best way to do anything is to pay cash for it. That way, there's no stipulations, there's no back-end fees, and it gives you a peace of mind that you have made a right purchase, and you can do anything with that purchase for the future. With that being said, some of us are going to be looking at some of the special deals that Apple unveiled during the event. They were saying that some of the carriers are going to be offering up to $1,000 off on the product. So first, let's just start off with the pricing on the phone. We're seeing the iPhone 13 mini starting from $699 and up, and then the iPhone 13 going from $799 and up. Now these will change based on some of the storage options that there are available for the phones. Next is the iPhone 13 Pro lineup, and that is starting at $999 for the small option and $1099 for the larger max option. This will also vary in the amount of storage that you're going to be getting on the phone, where the iPhone 13 Pro Max 1 terabyte is going to be topping out over $1599 for the phone. Now, before we get to any of the special deals that we're going to be seeing for the new iPhone 13, please make sure you're hitting that like button. This will help me greatly in getting more people to view this video and get it out to more people just like you. So the first carrier plan we're going to be looking at is AT&T, which has been a long subscriber to the iPhone. It's actually the very first carrier that the iPhone was on. So let's start looking at the deal that they have here. They currently have that special deal of $1,000 off the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. There are a few stipulations that do go into this. You must be purchasing this onto an installment plan. You have to pay taxes up front on it. There is a $30 activation fee, and you have to have an active phone plan or be a new customer, but the new customers have to be spending at least $75 per month to qualify. You will also need to be trading in your smartphone within 30 days. Make sure you do it within 30 days, or else you will be charged that full amount of that phone. And your trade-in value is going to be based on a few different criteria. As long as it is in good overall condition, if you get if the value of the phone is $180 or higher, you'll be getting that $1,000 bill credit. Now, if it is between $95 and $179, you're going to be getting $700, and $35 to $94, you're going to be getting the $350. This is where it gets a little tricky on actually how you do get that money. Over the next 1 to 3 months, they say, is that you'll start seeing credits on your account. They will start crediting back the money you've already spent on them, but it is going to be a credit over the entire installment plan. Now, for the iPhone Pro and Pro Max, this credit will be done over a 36-month period, which means in order to get your full $1,000 credit, you will be needing to keep your phone for at least 36 months. That is one of the biggest warnings that I have with the AT&T plan. Now, if you're looking at the iPhone 13 and not the Pro, everything will be about the same, except you're going to be only getting up to a $700 credit, because obviously the phone is only $699 and $799. The next phone plan we're going to be looking at is the T-Mobile Sprint deals. This one's a little bit more straightforward and allow you a little bit more flexibility at the end and not making you keep a phone for 36 months. But it is also a little bit more confusing because you also have to be on the highest plan in order to receive the credits. Now, their special deal is a trade credit that they're going to be splitting between Sprint and Apple themselves. Sprint's portion is going to be $500 if you are on their Magenta plan, or $200 if you are on any other plan other than the Magenta plan. The phone, just like AT&T, has to be in good condition. Now, a few different trade-in scenarios. If you are trading in that iPhone X, you are going to be getting up to $200 for that trade-in. So the $200 plus the $500 with the Magenta plan, that is the $700. If you are trading in an iPhone 11, it's going to be up to $340. And if you are so crazy and you really need this iPhone 13 and you're trading in your 12 from last year, you will be getting up to $790, and of course that other $500 if you are on the highest plan on Sprint Mobile. So the way the portions work with T-Mobile and Sprint is that the trade-in portion, that is Apple's portion, and the Sprint's portion is obviously the plans. And that's how they'll work. So if you get a Magenta plan plus iPhone X, you will get $700 in credit. Now let's look on to the next one, which is Verizon. Verizon seems to be the most confusing that I've seen when you're putting in your pre-orders. They're not giving you a lot of information, especially on the Verizon site, where they're asking you to put in your information or to get special updates on your pre-orders for Friday. Where I did find some of the information was on Apple's site, and going through and looking to see how it would be to purchase an iPhone on Verizon. Now their deal is to save up to $800 over a 30-month period, and they have no stipulations on what plan you're going to be on. And it's kind of down the same lines as AT&T, where they're trying to hook you onto a longer contract, so they are keeping you as a customer and they are not spending any more money on customer retention because everybody has their new iPhones. Now their plan is to save up to $800 over 30 months for the iPhone Pro. Same deal is going on for the regular iPhone 13, but that is going to be over a 24-month period. If you're planning on trading in an iPhone X or higher, the estimated payment that you will have on top of your wireless plan, $6.63 over 30 payments. So now in conclusion, what I am likely going to be doing with my own personal phone is I'm going to be trading that in with under the AT&T plan. Yes, I'll be locked in over that 36-month period. I don't see any plans of me needing to change my phone anytime soon. I can probably reserve the patience in order to do so. Now I do challenge you guys to go in the comments below and write out which one you're going to be going with if you are looking to get your new iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. What is everybody else going for? Now make sure you please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and also make sure you're liking it. Thank you very much, guys. You guys have a great night.